Hi, I'm Wong Qi Lun. I'm 24 years old. I am a degree student from Faculty of Electronic and Computer Engineering in University Technical Malaysia, Malacca, UTeM. The title of my project is the Steroid Video Dataset Validation and Annotation Scheme for Cili padi fertigation farming. So this is the title of my project. This is the Steroid Video Dataset Validation and Annotation Scheme for Cili padi fertigation farming. My supervisor is Dr. Rira Hidayah bin Muhammad Said. So the steroid video is a film recorded by camera with 2 or more lenses with a separate image sensor, and this allows the camera to stimulate the human binocular vision and therefore gives it the ability to capture 3D images. This is a process known as the steroid photography. The steroid video camera systems use 2 cameras from overlapping perspectives to create a 3D image from which measurements can be extracted using the principle of collinearity. The annotation scheme is the labeling of the objects or figure in the steroid video. Image annotation plays a significant role in computer vision, the technology that allows the computers to gain high-level understanding from digital images or videos and to see and interpret the visual information just like humans. Image annotation is a primary step in the creation of most computer vision models. It is necessary for datasets to be useful component of machine learning and deep learning for computer vision. And the object detection technique helps in the recognition, detection, and localization of multiple visual instances of objects in an image or a video. It provides a much better understanding of the object as a whole rather than just basic object classification. This method can be used to count the number of instances of unique objects and mark their precise locations along with labeling. So this figure 1, it shows the example of image annotation. You can see the tree and the human have been labeled. And this is another example of image annotation. You can see there's the box label with the car. This is the box label of the car, the bicycle, the person, and the truck, and also the traffic light. So the aim of this project is to establish a dataset of steroid video recorded in Cili padi fertigation farming. So the objective of this project is to collect the video dataset of steroid vision video in Cili padi fertigation farming. Next is another objective is to annotate the dataset based on the labeling scheme for Cili padi fertigation farming, and lastly is to validate the dataset using a prominent deep learning model such as YOLO. So let's discuss about the methodology of this project. So firstly, we have to fully understand the topic about what is the topic about. We have to understand what we're going to do, and after understand the topic, so I have to record the steroid video in Cili padi fertigation farming. The next step is to do the camera calibration and complete the labeling work. So the next step, before the point cloud generation, we have to train the data, and so only we can generate the point cloud. So we recorded the steroid video using a steroid camera because a steroid video is a film recorded by a camera with 2 or more lenses with a separate image sensor. Not all type of camera can be used to record steroid video, and only the steroid camera can use to be record the steroid video. Next is the software that we use to process this project is the MATLAB. So MATLAB is the proprietary multi-paradigm programming language and numeric computing environment developed by MathWorks. The MATLAB allows the metric manipulations, plotting of function and data implementation of algorithms, creation of user interfaces, and interfacing with the programs written in other languages. Discuss about the results of that have been done until now. So as I mentioned before, I have recorded some steroid videos for the chili padi fertigation farming, and here it shows the steroid video recorded during the 30 August 2021, and these are the steroid videos recorded during 15 September 2021, and these are the steroid videos recorded during 30 September 2021. So I will show one of the steroid video that have been recorded, and for information, this is the video that I've used to labeling. Okay, so these are the MATLAB coding that need to generate some of the results, and the videos that I use is not the steroid video that I have been recorded, because I have to try it before I can fit in my own steroid videos to make sure the coding, the MATLAB code are working. So as we see there, the result can be generated. This shows the extrinsic parameters visualization and the rectified video frames, the disparity map, and lastly the breakout player. So this is the labeling work that I have done. So in this labeling work, there are a total of 5 types of the labeling to be chosen, which are rectangular or other name, cuboid, line, pixel label, polygon, and projected cuboid. So I choose to use the pixel label to complete my labeling work for segmentation. So these labels are categorized by different colors so that we can easy to differentiate them. For each color, they are named as different group. So this is the simplified table for the group and classes. This is a details one. So I have differentiate the image into 2 parts. There's the inside compound and the outside compound or background. So for the inside compound, there is flat and living things, plantation, vegetation, and miscellaneous object. And for the outside compound, there are construction, the nature, the vehicle, and the sky. So there's another small category which is named as void. There's the any unnecessary details to the purpose of line tracking and plantation monitoring, such as the small amount of leaf, the pattern, sun, cloud, car, sublabel, and so on. So before that, I have to apologize because I haven't finished for my project, and there's no the data train result and the breakout generation result. So that's all for me. Thank you for paying attention.